When the university libraries do not have a full-text copy of an article, we can get a copy of that article from another library. That service is called Interlibrary Loan. Here is how to do an interlibrary loan for an article. When you are searching in one of our library databases, you will occasionally come across journal articles or conference papers, or even books that we do not have online or in hard copy. When you click on the Find It at WMU button in Engineering Village or one of our other library databases, it will take you to a page where it will indicate whether or not we have the full text of the article. If we have the full text, you will be able to click on the View Online link to access the links to the full text. If we do not have the full text, you will get a page that looks like this. It will say Check Availability, and underneath View Online, it will say your search did not match any resource in the library. You will want to click on the Request It link to begin an interlibrary loan for the item. You will log in with your BroncoNet ID and password. The first time you use this service, you will need to fill out a registration form. Once you've done this, you will be taken to the order form for the article. Most of the information for the article should be filled in, except perhaps the author name. So you might want to add that in to the request form. Then click the green Submit Request button at the bottom of the page to send the article request to our Resource Sharing Center. Once you've submitted the request, it will appear on your Interlibrary Loan page as an outstanding request, and it will say Article Request Received. The Resource Sharing Center will send the request out to libraries that have the article, and we should get the article back for you as a scanned PDF within 2 or 3 days in most cases. The Resource Sharing Center will email you when the article has come in. That email will look like this. It will include a link to your Interlibrary Loan account, which you can click and log in with your BroncoNet ID. You will also be able to log into your Interlibrary Loan account. The Interlibrary Loan link located on the main WMU library homepage. One field that you should be aware of in the Interlibrary Loan request form is the field that says, Enter amount you are willing to pay if cost exceeds $10. Most Interlibrary Loan requests will be free, and there is no limit on how many requests you may make. However, occasionally an article, such as a conference paper, will not be obtainable from another library, and we may need to purchase a copy of the article from the original publisher. If this is the case, the library can only cover the first $10 of the charge, and if you want the article, you will need to pay the difference to receive the article. The Resource Sharing Center will contact you by email if this is the case, explain the situation, and ask you if you are willing to pay the difference to receive the article. If you are not willing to pay the difference, your request will be canceled. You will never be charged a fee for this service without your approval ahead of time. Your article, when it's received, will be stored under the View Electronically Received Articles link in your Interlibrary Loan account page. The PDFs you ordered will be listed here, and all you have to do is click the View link to download the PDF. The PDFs will be stored here for 30 days, so you will have 30 days once the document comes in to download and save the PDFs. Copyright law prevents us from being able to store the PDFs in your account for longer than 30 days. If you have any questions about using the Interlibrary Loan service, please contact the Interlibrary Loan staff in Waldo Library.